Good day, everyone. I am Cadet John Lawrence Okagata from the Betelgeuse 3. So today, we will be gonna discuss about the IMO performance standards for ECDIS, focusing on two important operational and functional requirements. First is the display of other navigational information, and second, the display mode and generation of neighboring area. So first is the display of other information, navigational information. So the main points are here. We have first the integration of radar, ARFA, AIS, GNSS, heading, and speed. Next is the overlays must be clear and distinguishable from ENC or electronic navigational chart. Third, user can select or filter display information. And lastly, provides alarms and warnings. So, ECDIS is not only for displaying electronic navigational charts. It also integrates other important navigational data such as radar, image, ARPA targets, AIS information, GNSS position, heading, and speed. So, I will begin to be showing to you an image of a display of other navigational information. So this is an image. So we have here an ECDIS. So there is an arrow there, highlighted the radar, which is we have the rings. And the right side, we have here the display information and other display information can be found in the ECDIS. So one key requirement from IMO is that all these overlays must be clearly distinguishable from the chart information so that the navigators do not confuse real-time sensor input with chart symbols. So the system also allows the user to filter and select which data to display, and it provides alarms and warnings, for example, when the ship is about to cross a safety contour. So that's only for the display of other navigational information. Next is the display mode. So the main points of display mode are, you have here the modes available. There are only three. First is the head up, ships heading on top. Second, north up, true north on top. Thirdly, or lastly, course up, ships course on the top. So this will supports real-time redrawing and scrolling as vessel moves. So I will gonna provide you a visual aid or an image of the modes. So as you can see, here are three display modes. First, you have the head up. Second, north up. And third, course up. So in the target, in the head up, we have the target wanders. So building marker steady. So the in the display mode, the north up is oriented, where the chart is oriented to the true north. Next is the head up. Target wanders reading with the marker slowly. So head up where the chart follows the ship's heading. That's the net up. That's the head up. Lastly is the course up. So target steady and heading marker wanders. So the course up is where the charter is oriented to the vessel's course. So this flexibility of the modes helps the navigator maintain situational awareness. So the system also automatically redraws and scrolls the chart in real time as the vessel moves, ensuring the ship's position remains visible on the display. So that's how the significance of display mode. So next is the generation of neighboring area. Here are the main points of the generation of neighboring area. So automatic loading of adjoining ENCs, continuous display of ship surroundings, alerts if electronic navigational chart coverage is missing, and lastly, maintain smooth and updating speed. So here an example or a visual aid of generation of neighboring area. So this is an example. So another requirement is the ability of ECDIS to generate and display the neighboring area. So as you can see, here is an example of the image. So this means that system should automatically load adjoining ENCs when the vessel approaches the edge of chart, giving a continuous picture of the ship's surroundings. So here's the vessel um, at the center part. So it should picture the ship's surrounding. As you can see, it must be uncompliant and it must be maintained smooth update speed even with the additional chart data or overlays are displayed. So that's all for today's discussion. So in summary and reflection, so IMO standard ensure the ECDIS provides a reliable, clear, and continuous display for safe navigation. By integrating sensor information, offering flexible display modes, and automatically generating neighboring areas. ECDIS significantly improves situational awareness and reduces navigational risk. So as a future maritime professionals or officers, it is our responsibility to understand these requirements so that we can fully act this in ensuring safe and safety voyages. So that's all. Thank you.